Hello, it's Nikita from Plumsail team, and today I'll show you how you can sign up for a free plan of public web forms and get started designing your first form. First of all, go to the page and click to sign up. You will need to choose the data center location. Choose wisely. This is where the data is physically stored. You cannot change that later. You have European Union, Canada, Australia, Switzerland and the United States available. Click Create Account in the region of your choice, go to Forms, click Design to create your first web form. Now, you have multiple options to get started. For example, you connect to SharePoint or Airtable if you are using these systems. And if not, you can always start with one of our templates. We have many templates available, including applications. For example, a job application, you just select the template, customize it to fit your needs. You can adjust its look and add or remove fields, do whatever is necessary to make it work for you. But you can always just create a form from scratch. Like I'm going to create a simple job application for myself. I'm just going to add name, email, address, and I'm going to add a data table to collect applicants' job experience. So what role they worked in, at what company they worked at, and how many months of experience they have. So I'm just going to call it job application, and this form is as good as any. You can create as simple or as complex form as you would like. Here we can open it in preview and check how it looks on different devices. Looks good for me. And when we go back to the form, we can make sure that the submissions are activated, that they are saved to Plumsail account, and email on submission we can select owner, team, or none. We can change the form URL, so we can copy it and share, but if you would like to change it, go to account settings, and here you can adjust your name, your email. You can change your domain to whatever will work for your company. For example, I'm going to change it from my name to the name of my company. Well, at least hypothetical one. You can enable two-factor authentication, change password, audit log, delete account, and you can also invite other users to collaborate with you on the forms, design them, share them, whatever is necessary. We can also customize the sharing page in Forms pages. Here I'm going to create my own custom page. I'm going to change its header, pattern. I'm going to select something that will work. I'm going to change the background. And also going to change the footer. So you have quite a lot of options to customize. Then I'm going to share and open the form in preview. So here I'm just going to add some example data. I'm going to add some rows of experience, and let's see how it will work out. Clicking submit, the form has been submitted, and if we go to forms, we can open it. We can see the submission in our account. You can see the time, we can view it. Okay, we can also look at the source. It's stored as JSON. We can also make it red, we can delete it, and we can open it on the form. More importantly, we can save it as PDF from our form. And we can export all submissions as CSV file. You can keep track of all submissions in the reports, and when you're about to run out of submissions, if you have no space left, and you can be emailed on that, you can upgrade in our store and purchase one of the paid plans to accept more submissions. So get started with a free plan now, and let us know if you have any questions.